Hi, in this video we'll be learning how to add your custom Instagram filter using Lightroom. For this tutorial you will need a Lightroom, a base color PNG, a .arp file and Spark Studio application. I'll link down all of this into the description. So let's start with the free presets Lightroom. If you already have an effect, you can make your own effect in the Lightroom, or else I will just find some free Lightroom presets online. Let me see what it has. Okay, let's start with this. You can try this. Okay, I already downloaded this and okay. So in order to use this LR template, this is the preset file. Open the Lightroom application, go to edit, go to preferences, show Lightroom preset folder, click on that, click on Lightroom, click on develop presets, and you can either make a folder or add the file here. Make sure you close the Lightroom and restart again. In this case I've already added the file inside a test folder, so you can see it. So in order to test the filter, how it will look on various scenarios, I have some following samples. A portrait, I will set this. I will test how it looks on portrait. Okay, I have one indoor portrait. Okay, this is leopard. This is outdoor. Let me try on this photo. You can test on multiple photos just to see how your filter would look on multiple scenarios. This is a good way of adding a filter. Then you can add the filter to the base color that we just imported into the Lightroom. You can see all. Make sure that there is no grain, or else it will look very bad. Okay, now let me export file. Export. You can export as a JPG or a PNG. It won't make much difference. Assets. Spark here. I'll select this folder and export. Okay, so now you have a base color. Let me rename it to my effect. Yeah, so I differentiate between the base color and the effect. Okay, so now let's open a Spark Studio application. You will see something like this. Create a new project. Let's import those files first. Create effect, the ARP file, not the PNG file, the effect and the ARP file. Once you import that, they will automatically be assigned to a texture and the patches. So now go to the camera, right click on the focal distance, go to add. Let's create a canvas first. We'll see the canvas below, direction light 0. Now let's add a rectangle which will act as a layer. Add as full width and full height so it covers the entire screen. Add a material to this and set this material, make this material rename as effect. Okay, click on the texture and it will show a yellow box inside a patch editor panel below. Okay, now let's import this inside effect. Just drag and drop inside the panel and the LUT. You need to import the RGB of the effect inside the LUT file, and the output of the LUT should be the input of the effect, because yet we need to have a texture, as you'll get from the camera. Texture extraction. So we have a texture. Now let us rename this as null object, just null. Now let's drag and drop to the patch editor. So the output of the null should be the texture. Okay, now you can see the filter applied, and you can change the simulation to look on various faces. Yeah, this looks good. You can finally use this export or send button to Instagram camera, and so you can test how the filter is looking, and it will send you a notification on your Instagram profile. You can open the Instagram and see the notification and try your filter, or you can even send the link to someone else. One more important part is to not compress the filter. Click on the filter and make sure you have checked the no compression thing, or else the filter would slightly compress and it will not look good. Just in case if you want to try out different filter, let's try a different filter here. Okay, I'll just apply a different effect, test it once. Okay, okay, let me try. I'll try a different effect. Let me see what is. Okay, this looks good. Okay, I'll try. Once you finalize, just apply it to the base color again. Make sure you reset that base color and apply that second effect. The process is same. File, export. I'll just export it. Okay, and let me rename this as effect 2. Let's see. Now I'll just import this effect into the Spark here. Okay. Let us try this effect. I just have to plug in the RGB value to the LUT file input. When you are happy with your filter, just make sure you publish into the Spark AR Hub. First you can test it, refresh it. Now you can export it. If your browser doesn't open, you can go to Spark, facebook.com/Spark AR Hub. You can manually publish an effect. Click on publish an effect, select the platform, maybe Facebook or Instagram. Upload the AR project file that is saved on your, you can have a name, select the owner, upload your icon. Make sure the visibility is as soon as possible, location everywhere. If you want to have a specific location like your country only. Inside a review, you can write something for the reviewer. Yeah, anything. And that's it. Upload a video. Inside your Instagram. I'll just show you one of the greetings we had made, birthday greeting filter. You can see the insides, how many time it has been opened. It will show like a third tab in the filter tab inside the Instagram, and some details, visibility, and that's it. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this video. Coming up, I'll be adding one more video wherein you can learn how to change multiple shades using screen tab option.